Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing well. I've received a lot of questions about how to add the part name to the bill of materials. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So the first thing you actually have to do is go back onto your exploded assembly tab, which is on the bottom of the Onshape screen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the right side of the screen and click on the little icon that says BOM table. That's for bill of materials table. Click on that. It's going to slide open and it's going to default to the item, the quantity, the part number, and the description. Now, for the part number, you can just type in, like, let's say you want to call it A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. You could leave that in there and it'll just update there. But now for the description, you don't need to have that. So the first thing you're going to do then is to right click on description and then click remove column. And that'll get rid of the description. Then you're going to go up above that where it says add column, and then you're going to click on name. Okay, and then the name will then pop up on your bill of materials table. So now when you go back to the bill of materials tab that you've created, okay, if you ever see this little circle, yellow circle with the circle going around, that means that you've made a change and it wants to update. So you want to click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and add your bill of materials on this icon here. And then you're going to place it. And now the part name will be there. And then you can modify your placement, space it out the way you want. You can change the font size of your table if you click on the little wrench. And then you'd have to go down to tables to increase the row text and the content row text to 0.25. And that's it. That's how you added the part name into the bill of materials table. If you have any questions, let me know.